Today's video is about a dynamic method in Power Query to rename column headers. This is our source data, which contains monthly sales for each salesperson. Month numbers are our column headers, and our requirement is to change them into month name. I will show you the user interface process to rename a column headers. Double click on the column header, provide new name. Again, I will do it here, and I will provide a new name. This is the code generated by Power Query. You can see table.rename columns function. First argument is the table name. Second argument is the replacements in a list format. I will copy this and I will paste it in a new step. This is a list within list structure. Each inner list has two items. First item is the existing column name. Next item is new column name. I will try to create this list within list structure for 12 column names, and I will feed it inside table.rename columns function. Let me delete these steps so that I can start this from scratch. In our first step, I'll try to extract the column names in a list format. For that, I'll use table.columnNames function. Our focus is on month numbers, so I'll try to skip our first item using list.skip function. Now we can use list.transform to transform our list. The function argument, I'll start with the curly braces, which will help us to create inner lists. The first item in our inner list, the existing column name, which is a current item. For that, I will use underscore. Next item is a new column name. For that, I will use an intrinsic function for date, which will have three arguments. First argument is the year. For that, I will use current year. Next argument is a month number. Since our list contains column headers, this will be in the text format. So I will try to convert this into a number, and then I will feed it inside month number argument. That argument is the day. For that, I will use 1. Let me close parenthesis for date. At the end, I will close parenthesis for list.transform. This is the list within list structure. Second item is a date. If we convert this into a month name, then we can feed it inside table.rename columns function. For that, I will use date.toText function, which is a replacement of the text function in Excel. In the second argument, I will provide the format inside double quotes in uppercase 3M, which will help us to extract first three letters of our month name. I will close parenthesis. I will click on the tick mark. So we are halfway across our requirement. Now I can feed this inside table.rename columns function. First argument is the table. For that, I will use source. This is our replacement list. Then I will close parenthesis at the end. I will click on the tick mark. You can see that column headers are renamed here.